Hello friends, now we are going to see how to find the empirical formula and the molecular formula of a compound by giving the composition of the elements present in it. For that we have taken a simple example here, you can find here. So let us see how to find the molecular formula of a hydrocarbon by giving the percentage composition of each element present in it. Here it is given, a hydrocarbon has 80% carbon, 20% hydrogen by mass in it, and its molecular formula is given as 30. From that it is asked to find out empirical formula and molecular formula. For this, first of all, we take a simple tabular column by which you can derive the empirical formula. From that you can find out even molecular formula also. Let us see what the table is. First let us see what elements are present in it. Element name and its atomic mass or atomic weight. Then mass percentage, which is given from the problem. Then we take atomic ratio, and last simplest ratio. So let us draw a tabular column with this. From the given problem we can identify there are two elements in the given compound. First one, carbon with symbol C, and the second one, hydrogen with symbol H. So let us finish the table. Now let us fill one by one. First one, atomic weight of carbon we know as it is 12, and for it is hydrogen 1. Mass percentage of carbon is given as 80, and for it is hydrogen 20. Now let us find the atomic ratio. This represents mass percentage divided by atomic weight. Here the mass percentage of carbon is given as 80 divided by its molecular atomic weight 12, whereas for hydrogen it is given as 20 and its atomic weight is 1. From this you can get its value as 6.666, whereas for hydrogen it is 20. And the last one, simplest ratio, represents here from the obtained values all the values to be divided with the simplest above among those all. Here in these two, the simplest one is 6.666. So with this we have to divide these two once again. Now it becomes 6.666 divided by 6.666 divided by, and next one 20 by 6.666. Here we get 1, and around here we get 3. So these numbers which we obtained here gives the simplest ratio of atoms present in the molecular that compound. So means for every one carbon there are 3 hydrogen atoms. Means with every carbon atom is combined with 3 hydrogen atoms in this molecule. Now from this you can write simply the empirical formula of this hydrocarbon is C1H3 or CH3, and it is given the molecular weight of this compound is 30, and we can find here the empirical formula weight also. Empirical formula weight, from the formula we can find it 1 carbon atom and 3 hydrogen atoms, 12 plus 3 totally 15. From the empirical formula weight and molecular formula weight we can find the simplest common factor. The common factor is given with formula molecular weight by empirical formula weight. Molecular formula weight is given as 30, whereas empirical formula weight is 15. From this we can find out the common factor as 2. From this you can find out molecular formula is equal to empirical formula into common factor. We found the empirical formula as CH3 and its common factor as 2. From these two we can say multiply these two with the all atoms present in the empirical formula. Now we get C2H6. So this becomes the molecular formula of the compound, whereas this is the empirical formula of this compound. What we have done, let us see once again. First of all, we have written all the elements existing in the molecule and their atomic weights, then the percentage compositions in the molecule. Next, atomic ratio, which is given by the calculation like mass percentage by its atomic weight. From this, we have found the simplest ratio by dividing all the factors obtained here with the simplest of those all. These numbers obtained here gives the simplest ratio of atoms in the molecule, which we call as empirical formula. By finding the common factor, we found the molecular formula also. This is a way to calculate the molecular formula as well as empirical formula from the given mass factor.